Hello, you guys, and welcome. Today's video is going to be a little different than you're used to, but if you are a crazy cat lady like myself, you might want to stick around for this one. So today we're going to be talking about my $400 litter box. Yes, I said it, $400 litter box. Why, you might ask? Now, before you start judging me, just hear me out. This thing is pretty incredible. I have 4 cats, first of all. 4 cats, I know. Crazy cat lady. Not all of them are by choice. They just kind of found us and we don't know how to say no. So we have 4 cats. Now, years ago, we bought one of these self-cleaning litter boxes. Yes, it is self-cleaning, but it's not smart. This new one is smart. So we bought that and we still use it. This new one has pretty much taken over, but I still use the other one. It's very nice. It was very affordable. I want to say it was right around $80. I don't know how much they are now. This was a while ago. So let's get into how cool this one is. Okay, guys, this one comes with an app. It is so smart. It can tell you which cat use the box and for how long. I get a notification, like you can turn the notifications off, but I just like to have it on because I think it's cool. Like I can go on and it's like, oh, Charlie was in the litter box for 1 minute and 32 seconds. And it kind of just learns the weights of the pets. So then that's how it's able to tell you which one was in there. It does get a little confused sometimes because 2 of our cats have very similar weights, so it gets a little confused, but for the most part, it's pretty cool. The setup was so easy. The setup of the actual litter box, you just had to attach the 4 little legs and plug it in. Basically, it comes with this nice little mat as well. So when they're getting out of it, the litter just kind of stays contained on the mat. It's not all over the floor. It came with trash bags, 2 huge rolls of trash bags. It came with extra pieces that go around the backside, like for the sensor. It's kind of like a brush that like it rubs. So if it starts to get worn out, you can replace that. The thing that makes this one unique is that it's an open top. A lot of them look like tiny little enclosed spaceships, and cats don't like to feel like that. Like they like to go potty and they like to be able to look around and kind of see their surroundings. I really appreciate how this one is open top. And I will say Charlie is our biggest cat. He is 14 pounds and he fits perfect in it. He has no issues so far. And he's loving it so far. So what makes this type of litter box so smart and unique is that it has sensors all around it. So basically, if your pet goes in there, uses the bathroom, does its thing, 3 minutes after that happens, it's going to start doing the self-clean. Now, say your cat, it's been the 3 minutes and one of your other cats decides to come in and use it. It's going to sense that there's a cat in there and it's not going to start cleaning. So your cat's not going to get hurt. I will say, if you have kittens, there is a kitten mode, I believe, that you can turn it on where maybe the sensors are more sensitive, but I would not recommend using this with kittens because especially very, very tiny kittens, there is a possibility they could somehow get caught in the bottom, like where the waste goes. So I would not use this with kittens. I'm pretty sure they tell you not to as well. Okay, hey guys, it is Editing Wendy here. I did look up the safety guidelines for kittens. I wanted to just tell you guys. So it's saying 2.2 pounds and over, kittens in this weight range can safely use the box in automatic cleaning mode. The sensors are designed to accurately detect their presence and pause operation if they enter. Under 2.2 pounds, for tiny kittens, you must enable kitten mode in the app or turn off the automatic cleaning. In this mode, the box will not clean itself automatically because the sensors may not be reliable, whatever. So they do say they recommend waiting until kitten is at least 12 weeks old or even 4 to 6 months. So I just wanted to give you guys those recommendations so you are aware of that. Thanks. So once you get the bag completely in the little trash bin, it has like a pull style bag and you essentially don't even need to see the waste. Pull the little bag and it'll close it for you and you just throw it away. And it's going to tell you how much litter, like if you need to add litter, it's going to tell you that, where you're at on the waste scale, if it needs to be emptied. So this thing literally does it all for you. I am a busy, busy mom. I have 3 kids. If I could take one thing off my plate, I'm going to do it. And this has been so helpful. You could go a week or so without even having to look at this thing, empty it. Obviously you want to like make sure everything's looking good. But if you're just keeping an eye on it, keep an eye on the app, it's going to do all the work for you. Another thing I will say, it's super quiet. Like sometimes I don't even hear it cleaning, and then I'll hear a little plop, and that's when the waste is being dropped into the bin. I don't even hear the actual machine running. So I get like the $400 is a lot to spend on a litter box, but if you think about your time, that my time is more valuable, it's definitely an investment. It has been one that has been helping us out so much, and the cats all seem to love it. We do have one kitty who's kind of afraid of it. She hasn't, well, I don't know if she's used it yet because she uses the one in the back, but she might have used this one, but she's kind of skittish. She's been the only one that hasn't been like super excited about it, but the other ones, literally 2 seconds after I plugged this thing in, my one cat Tater Tot used it like within minutes. So he loves it. So when it's ready to clean, what it does is, I'm just going to show you on screen with water just because I want it to do its thing right now so I can show you. So I poured a little bit of water in there, and what it does, it's usually going to wait about 3 minutes before it starts, but you can hit the button, you can hit the clean button. Also, I will say there's a child lock on there. You just need to go into the app and turn it on, and that way if you have a little one that wants to try to push all the buttons, it'll be locked, so they could push it and nothing will happen. Right now, I'm gonna hit the clean button and it's gonna start doing its thing. What it does, first of all, it's just gonna kind of go back and forth, and what it's doing is it's sifting all of the litter. So all of the clean litter is gonna go through those little grates, through those holes, and that is gonna go to a separate compartment, and then it's gonna keep moving until the waste gets dropped into the bottom part of the bin. And once it gets dropped down there, it is sealed up. You cannot smell a thing. The only time I can sometimes smell a little bit of urine is right after it cleans itself, like because that thing is open for a few seconds, you know, but that is the only time you can smell anything. Like if I walk up to it right now, there's no scent coming from it at all. And if you guys know, and you have cats, you know that litter boxes can be very, very stinky. So if you have a smaller space, like an apartment, I dealt with that for so many years. I tried every litter box when I lived in an apartment, and I just could not find one that didn't smell. This would be perfect. So honestly, I'm kind of sad I waited this long to finally get one of these. Yes, I get it. They are an investment. They're not cheap, but they're so worth it. Just giving me back so much time where I'm not spending cleaning that thing. I would clean it in the mornings when my kiddos were getting up ready for school. Like there was always litter everywhere. Like one of mine likes to dig and dig and dig for like 30 minutes. And so this one, it has saved us so much time. Like I feel like I have more time with my family. I know that sounds absolutely ridiculous, but it's true. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Let me know, have you tried this one before? Have you guys tried another one? I know there's another one out there that's like $500. My friend has it, and that one looks really cool too. That one has a light. This one does not have a light, but that's okay. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed, and we will see you all in my next video. Bye.